What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be telling you how to set up your brand new Windows 10 machine. So the first thing that you need to do is to ensure that you have all your old files from your old computer, or if it's a new installation, your previous install, backed up somewhere safe on a USB drive, external drive, or in the cloud.
What the fuck is a cloud?
A cloud?
Dude, don't play with me right now, okay? Give me the cloud.
Second thing that you will need, especially if you are forgetful like myself, is a password manager. Now, if you're old school, ensure that you have your notebook and pen. You are going to need these to record all your passwords for your new machine, so that in case you forget at some point, you can always reference that to get back into your laptop or certain applications. Next, you are going to want to connect to the internet. You can do this wirelessly or wired using your Ethernet cable. So what you're going to want to do is go to Start, Settings, and Network and Internet. And in case you don't have DHCP enabled, you are going to want to configure your network with your static IP address that has been assigned to you, or you could just connect wirelessly and be assigned an IP address by your router. Once you have successfully connected to the internet, you are going to want to check for updates. It is very important to keep your computer up to date so that any security updates, so that any new security applications and configurations are installed on your computer. This is very important because this helps protect you from hackers, spammers. It doesn't do this all by itself, but it can help mitigate it if you know exactly what you're doing without the use of an antivirus. So go to Start, hit Settings, go to Updates and Security, and then check for updates. Once you've done that, your computer will let you know whether there are any updates available for your device, and if there are any, go ahead and install those. Next, you are going to want to install an antivirus. Now, there are many antivirus out on the market, including McAfee, Norton, Avast, Avira, Kaspersky. Next, you're going to want to uninstall any bloatware that you have no intentions of using, and I mentioned that in my video on how to secure your Windows computer. You could find it up here. Is it here? It might be there. It might be here. Anyways, so jump right into Start, Settings, and then go to Apps. Now go through your list of applications, and if you see something that you don't want that came with your computer, uninstall it. It's that simple. Then you are going to want to ensure that you have a password assigned to log into your computer. This does not help your computer not get stolen, but in the event that it does get stolen, the person would not be able to get into your computer and go through your files. Now, it would still probably gonna say something, but I might just get the popo knocking on my door. So go to Start, Settings, Accounts, and Sign In Options, and then go to Password. Then create your password. You probably need to type it in another time just to confirm, and you're good to go. Now this step is optional, but if you so wish, and if your computer does support that feature, you could also use Windows Hello to log into your computer. Now Windows Hello would use either your face or your fingerprint to log you into your computer. So go to Start, Settings, Accounts, Sign In Options, then go to Windows Hello Face or Windows Hello Fingerprint. You could activate those, you could enable that feature and then configure it with your face or your fingerprint to be able to log in with those the next time you sign in. The next step is to install your preferred browser. The native browser that comes with Windows 10, well, used to come with Windows 10, Internet Explorer. Then that was turned to Microsoft Edge, I believe, and it has been enhanced now. Haven't had a chance to use it and to just review it, but if you don't like it, you can install another browser. You can install Google Chrome, you can install Firefox or Opera, Safari, whatever you want to use. You can just do a search in Google or Bing, do a search and download and install your new browser. And then you're going to want to personalize your device. To do so, go to Start, Settings, and Personalization. In this window, you can assign a desktop background, or you could choose from one of the many that are provided for you. You could also choose your color scheme. Now these are pretty nice colors. You have reds, your fuchsias, your pinks, yellows, greens, purple. You can choose whatever color that suits your personality and be able to make your computer feel more like yours, if that makes sense. You could also personalize your start button, and you can customize your fonts as well, whatever fonts you want to use on your computer. You can do that. My advice to you is use a font that is legible, that won't strain your eyes in low light or a lot of light. Something that is, easy on the eyes. And on that note, you could also switch to dark theme. I love using dark theme because I have horrible eyes. I'm wearing contacts right now, and I find dark mode just so much easier on my eyes. It's less light, it's less strain. It's perfect. Now, your computer, your Windows computer, is gonna come with its own Siri. Okay, let's not say Siri. Let's say voice assistant. Yeah, that sounds more politically correct. Yeah, your Windows computer comes with its own voice assistant. Her name is Cortana. To activate Cortana, you could go to Start, Settings, Cortana, and you could turn Cortana on or off. Now you can use Cortana to do searches, to open applications, to jump between applications. I don't make use of her. I don't I don't really like voice commands on my computer personally. On my phone, yes, but not so much on my computer. Maybe I should try it out. Maybe. Windows also allows you to customize your start menu. Now, previously, when you hit the start menu, all you get is a list of the programs that are installed on the computer. However, with Windows 10, we've upgraded to tiles where you could place your most used applications. You could also place widgets like your calendar, photos, email. You could customize those, place them where you want them, and have a really nice feel to using your computer. It also makes you more productive depending on the applications that you use the most. Now this next step is optional. If you are someone who emails a lot, you could add the people button to your taskbar so that you could easily, pull somebody up and send them an email, just shoot them an email, and you don't have to, go to the Outlook or the other mail app and then type in their email address. It's tedious. Use the people button. And then you are going to want to transfer your previous files from your old installation or your old computer to your new computer. Simply connect your USB drive, your external drive, or log into your cloud service and download the files directly to your computer. And after you've done that, back up your PC, okay? And I gave instructions on how to do that, and my video on how to secure Windows. Find it up here. I hope it's there and I'm not looking stupid. Simply go to Start Settings, Update and Security, and back up now. You could also create a restore point, and I mentioned how to do that in my video here. Check it out. And so, in closing, now that we have come to the end of this week's video, I would like to thank everyone for watching and for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so by hitting the subscribe button right here. Here. It might be here. By hitting the subscribe button and also liking this video and sharing it with your friends. I thank you very much, and I'd like to thank my sponsors, Canon, Microsoft, and HP. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and see you in the next one.